Hi friends, it's me again. I have a haul to do. I'm so excited, my first haul. Alrighty, I have a few things here as you can probably see, so I'm going to try to keep it in categories. So I want to start out with the beauty stuff first. So I got these two lip balms. It's from Beauty Impressions. This one here is a berries and cream scent, which I think this one was my favorite out of the two. This one here is vanilla cherry scented. They are very hydrating. So I only gave them one try, but I'm going to continue to see if I like these. Right now, the Vaseline Aloe lip balm is my favorite, but who knows? Maybe these will take over. So there's one more though. I think it's coconut and lime. I did not get that one, but these are good. So that's the first product that we're looking at. My next product is this packet of hair clips. I've heard that these are volumizing. As you can see, I haven't taken them out of the package yet, but I'm going to give them a try, and I'll get back with you and see if they volumize my hair or exactly what they do. So more to come. My next item, they had several of these little shower steam bars, and I guess they're probably for kids because they are cartoon characters. I got the SpongeBob one basically because the scent was citrus scented, and I really do like citrus scents, the orange and whatever. And now when I took this out yesterday to use it, when you smell it, it does have a strong scent. It smelled really good. When I got in the shower, I couldn't smell it anymore. And it went away in that one shower. The whole bar was gone. Thankfully, it did not leave any color or anything on the tile in my shower. But, you know, I'm sure kids would like this just because of the characters on the box or whatever. But as far as what it does for your shower or whatever, like I said, I didn't smell it after I got in the shower. So you can do what you please with that. But there's like SpongeBob. I remember there's Ninja Turtles, and I think there might have been two others. I do have that to make a reel out of, so you can see the different ones in my reel when I get that up and going. My next beauty product is the Evo purple toothpaste. It's for instant teeth color correction. Now, I like this, but the first time I used it, I could tell a difference in my teeth. But from that point on, I didn't see it like making my teeth like bright white or anything like that. But at the same time, I'm a daily coffee drinker. I don't use a straw to drink my coffee like I have heard people recommend. So maybe if I stopped drinking coffee, this would brighten my teeth more. But I don't plan on stopping my coffee. I love coffee way too much. But I still use this, and I feel like it does help some. So if you give this a try, let me know your thoughts on it. The next thing I found two new hand sanitizers. I love these so much, but they are so hard to find. I did find the Jasmine Dragon Fruit, and my favorite, the Brazilian Caramel Scented. I love this, y'all. I love this. So keep on the lookout. You never know when they might actually show up. So my next thing that I have is like kitchen stuff. We'll start with the food items or drink items. They have these Junior Mint hot cocoa pods. And my son tried one of these today and he loved it. It is very minty. So if you like the Junior Mints, you will love these. There's 3 pods per package. We also found the Tootsie Roll, and he loved that as well. He says it tastes just like a Tootsie Roll. So give them a try. $1.25. Now, I also found 2 bags of coffee that I wanted to try. This one is Papa Nicholas. It's Hawaiian Islands. It's a light roast. So I'm going to give this a try and see if it's good. Like I said, I love my coffee. So it says it's sweet and exotic. So we will try this out. Maybe tomorrow. I'm off tomorrow, so I can have a whole pot of coffee tomorrow. And here, from Great Blend, we have Brazilian roast. It's a full-bodied and rich with rich flavors. So I haven't opened this one either, but as soon as I try these out, I'll get back with you all and let you know what I think. So the next kitchen item I tried are these. As you can see, I did try them already. It's the Snyder's of Hanover Braided Twist Honey Wheat. They're pretty good. If you like wheat, you will really enjoy these. So they're okay. Good for a snack when I'm hungry and don't want a whole lot. Same with these bagel chips that I got. I got the garlic roasted and the sea salt. I thought this would be good for like just a quick little snack. I thought I could eat them like chips, which you could if you wanted, but I do think it would be better with maybe a cream cheese on it. So these are something to try too. All this stuff, I don't think I said this at the beginning, but all this stuff came from Dollar Tree, so I love Dollar Tree. My next items are like cleaning stuff, or I do have this one thing, which is an air freshener. Now this is Sure Scents, and this is the lavender scent. I do like lavender scent. I think they also have one called Fresh Scent too, which is really good. Now I get these, I cannot remember if these are $1.50 or $1.75, but they're way cheaper than getting them at Walmart. I can tell you that. And this fits in the Glade dispensers. So the new ones and the old ones. So much cheaper, and they work just as well. They smell really, really good. So I keep these in stock. The next thing I got, I've never tried a fruit and vegetable wash before. This is from Home Bright. So I'm going to give this a try when I clean my fruits and vegetables. It says it removes chemicals, soil, and wax. It's plant-based. It says dye-free, and I can't even tell what that word says. Anyway, I'm going to try it. If anybody's tried this, please comment down below. Let me know what you thought of it. And after I try it, I'll let y'all know what I think about it. The next thing I got is I got some of this Home Bright Free and Clear dish detergent. Now, I did a reel on the foaming wash, the foaming spray wash that Home Bright has out, and I really like it. It works, in my opinion, as good as the name brand foaming spray. So I'm hoping that this is going to work just as well too, and it's going to save me a lot of money in just dishwash. So let me know what you think. I also got some of this LA Totally Awesome cleaning vinegar. I'm going to give this a try. I saw a lady the other day. She put some dish detergent and vinegar down in her shower spray head, and she let it sit for an hour, and then she turned the water on, and all the gunk that came out of her shower head, I was shocked. So I think I'm going to give that a try with these 2 items and see if that works for me. So let me see. I wanted to break this haul up into 2 different hauls because this is like probably 3 shopping sprees. So I don't want to do it all in one video. So I wanted to break it up. I think I'm going to do all my crafting supplies that I picked up tomorrow. So keep an eye out for that. But I broke down and got me one of these cute little flower sprayers. I think these are adorable. They come in different colors. They have pink, they have yellow, they have clear, they have green, they have blue. But I finally decided on the pink one, of course. I love the pink. So they're so cute to spray water or whatever on your plants. So I'm going to give this a try this spring. So that is it for today. Like I said, I'm going to try to do another video tomorrow to finish up this haul. And tomorrow's will be pretty much all crafting supplies. So I hope you will come back and join me. And if you would, please consider liking, subscribing, and sharing my channel. I'm trying to grow and get out there to show y'all the things that I find at the Dollar Tree. I really enjoy going and seeing all the cool stuff that they have available at such good prices. So please, like I said, check me out on Instagram under Accents by Samantha, also Facebook, Accents by Samantha, and on X, Accents by Samantha. Please, let me know that you're watching, and let me know if there's anything else that you all are interested in me trying out. So I will see you all soon, and please leave me a comment. Thanks so much. Have a good day.